In the first half of 2021, Indonesia became the hottest investment destination in the entire Southeast Asian region, surpassing even that of Singapore, a country renowned for innovation as a financial hub. This was because of the rise in innovation within the country's startup ecosystem. Moreover, Indonesia's internet economy has taken off, which helped make the country's businesses take leaps into the digital gold rush. In 2020, the internet economy of Indonesia was valued at just $47 billion, but by 2021, it grew close to 50% to over $70 billion. These are all poising Indonesia to become a hotbed for innovation and to become a giant digital hub. So, how did Indonesia's startup ecosystem grow so big along with its internet economy? And can Indonesian startups be the country's foremost economy in the future? Before we move on, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe for more. Jakarta, the country's largest city, is the main reason why Indonesia's innovation has gained traction in recent years. According to the Startup Genome, the country's former capital had the third largest ecosystem value in 2021 with $34 billion. It is also given the city to become the third best emerging ecosystem, just behind Mumbai of India and Copenhagen of Denmark. How? Because of the so-called unicorns of Indonesian startups, or as they call it, the best of the best businesses that emerged in recent years. And as of 2021, there are currently 8 unicorn startups in Indonesia, which help push the entire Southeast Asian region to have over 27 unicorns across the 11 nations. These 8 unicorn startups have the biggest potential to revolutionize the country of Indonesia, from taking what we know as traditional living to a more modern, technological world. The biggest among these is hailed as one of the world's biggest startups ever, namely GoTo Group, a company that was born from the merger of Gojek and Tokopedia, 2 of which represented the very livelihood of Indonesian startups. It is by some estimates a company valued over $30 billion. Its merger has also given the company a vast amount of services to offer the community, from a mixture of ride-hailing services, e-commerce, and fintech platforms. Although GoTo has indeed shined on the world stage already, they're not, in our opinion, the most exciting startup to watch. The world of digital startups is just starting. That is why the most thrilling enterprises are those who grew rapidly in just a few years or even months and may now be on track to challenging GoTo as Indonesia's most valuable startup. We think that the next big valuable companies are OVO and Ajaib. The reason why we chose OVO is because of the emergence of fintech opportunities in the country. Currently, OVO is seen as the nation's leading digital payment service, and this comes at a time when Indonesia is also becoming one of the top countries to have the highest adoption in digital wallets in the entire APAC region. This indicates that OVO is in a prime position to take the opportunity to become the mainstream digital wallet application of the country, which by several measures are hundreds of billions of dollars. The only unique trait that OVO has is that the majority owner of it hails from Singapore, best known as Grab. Ajaib, a rather new unicorn in 2021, presents a unique opportunity in the digital investment field. Ajaib is an investment app that aims to revolutionize how Indonesians see stock trading. Why this is so important to the country is that as the economy of Indonesia grows, this would present a rising middle and higher class social status and have more funds to spend on investments. And as Ajaib gains traction, they have been in the position to take advantage of the rising economy of Indonesia. Indonesia's startup economy, on the other hand, may look big, sound big, or even be already big. By all measures, however, it is still quite small. But if you look at it the other way, it just means that there's a lot of room for growth. In 2021, there is still around 20% of the entire population who have yet to be identified as digital consumers. But this is likely to change in the next decade. The internet economy is poised to grow from today's $70 billion to as much as $330 billion, indicating a massive growth in less than 10 years. With the world and the country slowly becoming a digital-first nation, the future of Indonesian startups is very bright. There are more possibilities than what we can imagine today.